This is the first footage you're going to see from my mobile phone. From my new mobile phone, my Google Pixel, which I got for Christmas 2017. And I fried an egg, Donald Trump style, over hard. This is actually, I actually flipped it 3 times. I flipped it 4 times, sorry. Nice. So this is actually the underside and this is the overside. Or is it the other way round? I don't know. Anyway. I'm going to film this in one shot. You know what I'm going to do to this egg? I'm going to put Marmite on it. Actually, we don't have much Marmite. I'm going to have the Marmite on the side like a kind of sauce. Donald Trump style egg and Marmite.